Hello, my wonderful people. Happy New Year to you all. I hope you enjoy your New Year. Hope you spend your holiday well. Yes, so you are welcome to my program. If today na your first time when you dey come across this my channel and you never subscribe, abeg no forget to subscribe at the end of this video so that you go dey get more video. You will just get that message for your phone anytime when I put new video. So this 2020 when we enter, so my question is that what is your goal? What are your plans? How you want make this 2020 be for you? Definitely most of us, we don pray to God, we don tell God say abeg make he let this 2020 when e come so make it better pass 2019. Yes, definitely na so e go be in Jesus name, but it depends on you. It depends on you. Na the way wey you take package yourself na so e go be. If you dey do something wey e be say e no right 2019, or you dey follow that lane, you dey follow that track wey e be say e no be the straight track, no be the right track, and you dey expect say you go carry that same thing wey you dey do 2019 enter 2020 and you dey expect different result, my dear, e no dey work like that. 2020 definitely e go change for us and e go better pass 2019, but it's all about packaging. If you don package yourself well, na the way wey 2019 be, na so 2020 go still be. So what do I mean by this is that anything wey you know say you dey do that time, when you know say e no dey work out, make you try change from that way and take a new step. So from there you go dey see result. It's just simple as abcd. Now you go just see say the way wey you dey live your lifestyle, the things wey you dey do that time, this thing e no work, I want new result, I want new thing, then you go change for this 2020. No be to dey run dey go pastor, to dey run dey go prophet, you dey expect say na dem go tell you say go ahead, na dem go tell you say move forward, na dem go tell you say do am like this. Before you eat, before you go toilet, before you do anything, you go first go take permission from them. My dear, if na that same level you wan see dey operate, my dear, na the same thing wey dem tell you, na so dem go still dey tell you. Dem go only dey collect from you, dem go only dey collect from you every time, bring, come and so you no go get anything in return, because they are not God. Even though say we dey pre ten d to dey take them as God, they are not God. Una don see many things wey don dey happen for social media these days. Many news wey don happen concerning all these prophets wey dem dey call themselves men of God, wey dem be prophets, wey be say now we don enter 2020, prophecy don finish for everywhere. This one come, e go talk a prophecy. Pastor Adeboye come, e talk yo. Pastor Suleiman come, e talk yo. Pastor Nenemi come, e talk yo. Different pastor, all of them don talk different prophecy for Nigeria. Make una watch out o. None of all these things go come to pass. The only one wey go come to pass na the bad one wey dey inside, na dem go come to pass. They only get power to dey see those visions, to dey see those prophecy, but they no get power to stop the thing. Una take example from Reverend Father Mbaka. Una don forget the prophecy when he talk about Nigeria, when he tell us say na Buhari na be the Messiah of Nigeria. Today unko na the Messiah na we dey enjoy. So all those one never reach us take get example, all those one never reach us take get sense. If you talk say na pastor, na prophet, na it be the people when you want dey run follow this 2020, the way you take run follow them, when be say na only the thing when dem talk na you go do, they go only dey tell you say bring, you go always remain for where you dey. My dear, no be say this one say na the bitter truth na it be this one. These prophets, they don do a lot of hard work for our society. News wey una dey see these days, una never see different things. Today they go talk say prophet do this one, pikin go church, you no go see her take follow mama come back house again. Pikin go school, they will come, they will thief the pikin, carry and go give prophet to take and do different thing. Different one. Before one news dey finish, another one don enter inside. Una no dey see all of them. Una no dey see am. Even Bible talk say my people perish for lack of knowledge, but these days no be my people no perish for lack of knowledge, my people perish for lack of foolishness. Na so I think am. Because if you say na lack of knowledge, everybody don dey knowledgeable, everybody don see wetin all these people dey do, everybody don see say most of all these people they are in disguise. These people, they are 19. People still dey follow them, they still insist that they follow them. Even now, if na only this social media awareness sef, e don make many people to know say most of all these people wey dey call themselves prophets and all those things, they are all 419s. People still insist to dey follow them. So that one no be knowledge. You know, now you see say you wan follow them like that. Now it make me I dey say my people perish for lack of foolishness, no be lack of knowledge again. This 2020 when it comes, so if you no plan well, you no open your eye like Awilo sharp, you no open your eye like Awilo sharp, the thing when it happen 2019, now the same level now you go still dey operate. Then you go dey expect May 2021 still better pass 2020 until you make decision, until you change, until you talk say these people, they no fit dey control your life, they remote your life again. They no fit dey tell you say na this step now you go take, na this one now you go do before you go fit move. All these people when they call themselves prophets, na you go take that bold step, na you go take that decision, na you go talk say na like this now I want am, na this new lane now I wan follow this year, na 2020 go take better for all of us. So it's all about packaging, not be to dey see vision or to dey see prophecy up and down. Some of all these pastors and all these prophets wey una dey see, most of them they no even fit dey see vision for theirself. When something wan happen to them, most of them they no even dey see for theirself. This pastor now, most of una go hear this pastor when e happen for Spain, when e never too tey now, when e drown for swimming pool with his children, with his family. No be say that man say e get anything wey e do. May that man so rest in peace. I think I don do video when e concern this something, may he so rest in peace. But my point here is that pastor na when e be say e come drown that day, e come die with his children. This same pastor now, maybe many people go don go meet am, make e predict for them, make e tell them say they wan travel, make e tell them whether they go make am well, whether they go safe journey or anything, make e tell them how this 2020 go be. But this same pastor, e no see am for vision say this kind thing wan happen to him with him family. If to say e see am, I no believe say e for go there, this kind disaster go come happen to him and him family. So my people, make una wisen up, make una open una eye, shine your eye like Awilo sharp sharp, open your eye like Awilo sharp sharp. No let all these people dey manipulate una, dey take una dey do different things. These are in short, all these prophets when they dey for Nigeria, when be say they don cause different havoc, they don cause different atrocity for that Nigeria. This one na people sef when be say government suppose dey after. This one na the second boko. There are people when be say government suppose dey after, because most of them they are 419. All this level when they operate for Nigeria. For uptown here, most of them they can never try it. Fear no go let them come dey operate those kind of level for here. They won't die. If they come here, they operate all those kind of level. Then AK can know them, or Koti can know say now this kind of level now they operate. They say they know now, they not go even try it. So my people, now this will be my message for 2020. Say if you want make 2020 better part 2019, is all about packaging. Now you go package yourself well. Now you go range yourself well, so that this year go better pass next year. If you say you don't want package yourself well, say na pastor will package yourself for you, or na prophet, now you go package you for yourself. My dear, forget the story. Nothing new, nothing more there for this 2020. It's all about packaging. So my people, now here I will round up my video today. I beg, and I still dey beg. I know some I don't try. Many people don't subscribe to this my channel, and I see many people when they support me, when they encourage me, but I still need more support. I beg, make una support me, make you just subscribe. If you never subscribe before, what are you waiting for? This one at the right time when you need to subscribe. Now so that they get more gist from me. So make you just subscribe and press that bell, hit that notification bell. If you don't click that bell, you only subscribe, message no fit come your phone anytime when I put a new video. So my people, now here I go round up for today until I come your way some other time, and I hope to come your way soonest. Bye bye and have a blessed day.